guys, my name is Ria, and today, because it's close to the holidays, I decided to do a winter-themed holiday craft. It's a super cool 3D card that you can give to your family and friends. In the end, this is what it looks like. And you can decorate the front however you want.
You need 2 sheets of paper. If you have green colored paper, that's better, but if you don't have any, you can still use white paper and color one of the papers green. I'm not going to demonstrate that now because it takes a while, but imagine this entire paper is green. You're also going to need yellow and brown markers, color pencils, or crayons for the stem and the star of the tree. Make sure to also have scissors and glue. One of the sheets of paper is going to be the card, and the other is going to be the tree.
First, to make the card, fold it like this. Then, to make the tree, take the other piece of paper and fold it forwards. Turn it over and then fold it backwards like you would make a paper fan. Make sure that the folds are tiny. Do this over and over again until you reach the end of the paper. Once you are done, hold the middle and cut almost in the middle of the paper, but a little to the side, like this. Now, cut it once more in the middle, but closer to one side. Then cut it approximately 1/3 of the way, like I'm doing it right now. Now you have all of the pieces for the tree. Then, pick up the card and right along the line where it is folded, you will glue the longest piece of cut and folded paper and glue around here on one side of the card. Do the same thing with the other cut pieces of paper, in order of longest to shortest going up. Make sure you leave some room in between the papers. Once your card looks like this, put glue on each of the pieces of folded paper on the unattached side, like so. Before you close the card, make sure that each layer of the tree is straight against the other side of the card. Then close the card and press down. After a minute or two, open it up and you will see a beautiful tree on the inside.
Feel free to draw the trunk of the tree and the star at the top like this.
And that's it, you're done. You can decorate the front of the card however you'd like. Hope you enjoyed this month's video, and happy holidays!
Hi everyone, my name is Urmi Jogakar and welcome back to Club Phoenix. Today we're going to be learning about what caused the continental drift. I hope you enjoy. What is the continental drift, you may ask? The continental drift is the theory that large chunks of land on the globe have been drifting away from each other since their formation. It states around 280 to 230 million years ago, there was once a large mass of land containing all the continents that exist today. This is known as Pangaea. Some evidence of this theory is that the fossils of ancient reptiles such as the Mesosaurus are only found in southern Africa and South America. Even though southern Africa and South America are now on different sides of the globe, this indicates that they were once even together. Another piece of evidence is that fossils of tropical plants were found in Svalbard, Norway, which is an extremely cold place. The plant would physically not have been able to survive there, much less thrive, which indicates that the now frozen over Norway was once in a tropical climate. Like a jigsaw puzzle, the east coast of South America and the west coast of Africa seem to fit together, indicating that they were once together. And the same rock patterns are found in diverse places such as India, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia. Scientists now believe that masses of land have been moving since the formation of Earth, and over several cycles, large supercontinents like this one have formed. The most well-known ones are Pangaea, which formed about 600 million years ago and is shown here, and Rodinia, which is shown here and existed more than 1 billion years ago. So, why do the continents move? This is because of something called tectonic activity. Scientists believe that at the bottoms of continents rest giant plate-like pieces of rock known as tectonic plates. Underneath them, on the floors of the ocean from the cracks, emerges lava-like fluids and separates the plates from each other by force. The lava-like substances form new seafloors that put a gap between the tectonic plates that once lied together. This may sound a bit scary, but don't worry. It happens so deep down in the earth that we barely feel its effects. And the continents move so slow that the North American plate by itself only moves 2.3 centimeters per year. For our experiment today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different than usual. This experiment is unrelated to what we just learned about, but I thought that in the winter spirit, why not? So with me right now, I have 4 cups, or 4 bowls rather, and they each have the same amount of ice cubes in them. Today, we're going to discover how to melt ice the fastest. So, I encourage you guys to play around. I will be using salt, hot water, vinegar, and in every single good experiment, there's always a control, meaning natural melting. So, I will show you guys how to do the rest. So, this one is going to be the control one. In the control one, I'm not going to do anything to make it melt. I'm just going to let it go naturally. Then, I'm going to pour vinegar in this one. Just enough to submerge both of the cubes. Then, this one is hot water. I heated it for about a minute. And I'm going to pour it in this one just until everything is submerged. And then this one, I'm going to use salt. I'm doing 4 of these little spoons. And maybe just a little more. Just to cover up the ice cubes. So, I will let you guys know what happens once everything melts. So, this one was the winner. As you can see, all the ice is melted and it has been 99 seconds. The others are not even close. It has been around 4 minutes and all the ice in the vinegar one has melted. As you can see, salt is in 3rd place and the control is in last. Now this experiment wasn't very advanced because I just wanted to give you guys a general overview, but I really highly encourage you all to try different combinations. So I know that some people do an experiment where they put dish soap, hot water, and vinegar together. Or they do another one with steam even. So I highly encourage you guys to try out your own things and let us know in the comments what you tried out. And also remember to use parental supervision if you're trying anything hot or anything that involves any dangerous materials. Have fun!
Hello everyone, my name is Swaksha Mehta and I'm a mentor at Club Phoenix, and today we're going to be making DIY paper snowflakes. These paper snowflakes are a great idea for decoration or even as a gift for your friend or family member. So let's get started. The materials you're going to need for this experiment are a square piece of paper, and it can be any colored paper, some scissors, and anything you'd like to decorate your snowflake with. Here I have some colored pencils and some glitter glue. The first step to making your beautiful snowflake is to fold it diagonally in half. Then you're going to fold it in half one more time. Then you're going to want to divide the triangle into 3 sections so that they're all equal. Your sections definitely don't have to be perfect. Just make sure to try your best. This is what mine looked like after I divided my triangle into 3 sections. Once you've marked out the 3 equal sections, fold the left section towards the front, like so. Next, go ahead and fold the right section towards the front. This is what it should look like once you've folded both the sections towards the front. Next, go ahead and flip over your design. This is what it should look like after you flip over the design. Make sure the horizontal edge is facing the front. Cut along the horizontal edge so that you end up with a wedge, like so. This is what it should look like after you cut off the top of the triangle. This is the fun part! Go ahead and cut out any random shapes you want, but make sure you keep the triangle folded at all times. This is what my snowflake looked like after I cut out the random shapes. Here's the big reveal. Go ahead and unfold your snowflake. This is what my snowflake looked like after I unfolded it. Last step is to decorate your snowflake however you'd like. For my snowflake, I chose to add purple hearts around the edges and a pink heart in the middle.